Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the big reveal. We are doing a zodiac inspired makeup tutorial every time we enter a new zodiac sign. So starting January 20th, we will be entering the sign of the Aquarius. So I want to show you guys one super dramatic look and one more wearable look. I will say in this video, I got a little bit carried away with my wearable look, but that's cool, we can always tone it down. So to get started, we're going to start with the wearable look. So I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done, and we are just going to jump right in. I'm going to start with the contour. This is the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Amber. This is kind of optional. I mean, with the base, we can kind of just cater it to whatever you like to do for your face. This is a fairly normal routine for me, so I just wanted to add the contour in. So going in with my Airspun translucent powder, I'm just going to set underneath my eyes and my forehead. I'm also going to bronze up a little bit, nothing too crazy, I just want to get a good bronze going. And also there was a huge hair on my brush, so you'll see this effort. Of course, with the James Charles palette, which I will use for both looks. First, I'm going to go in with the first shade in the palette, which is just a beige shade. You can literally use any beige shade you want. And then over that with the first color of the second row, which is just kind of a taupe color. Again, you can use any kind of light brown color. I'm also going to just tightline my eyes with my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner pencil, mainly because I like a good tight line to go on. And now I'm going to create a wing. This is where I think I got a little carried away. So if you're not into a wing or you want a little bit more natural of a look, go ahead and just like make your wing a little less long. I think mine, I just like messed up and it just got bigger and bigger. So you can obviously make a smaller wing or not even a wing at all. So it's up to you. Next, I am applying a blue liner to my waterline and a little bit on my lash line. This is just a Maybelline blue eyeliner. Literally any blue eyeliner will work. And I'm also taking the sparkly blue shade from the James Charles palette and applying that under the eye, and then just using a pencil eyeshadow brush just to kind of blend it so it's not as harsh. And now I'm just adding kind of a goldeny bronze shade to the outside of my lid. This just adds a nice complementary color. And I'm just going to add some mascara, whichever ones you like. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And now I am just using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is very good for your bottom lashes because it helps them to have a lot of good length, but it doesn't get clumpy and it's not too big. For lips, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa K liquid lipstick, and I'm topping that with the MAC Mariah Carey lip glass. I think this is discontinued though, but anything that's kind of nude and sparkly will look good. So this is the completed look for the wearable Aquarius makeup. I always feel like Aquarius are very free-spirited. They're like earth children, so this is kind of my rendition of this. Obviously, you can kind of take it down a notch and make it a little bit more wearable just to whatever your liking is. Yay! Next up is the crazy look, which is not that crazy. I actually still think it's kind of wearable. It's just a little bit more dramatic. We're going to start the same way. We're going to make this contour just a little bit deeper. Same contour products, and I'm just going in with this Sonia Kashuk brush, which I also believe is discontinued. Rip again. But I'm just going to try to get a more sharp contour. I'm also going to use this super light ColourPop Cosmetics concealer just to really, really sharpen that jawline. I'm also going to contour my nose. This is more of like a personal thing. Like, this is not needed for the makeup look. If you want to contour your nose, go for it. And again, I'm just going to set under my eyes and on my forehead with my Airspun translucent powder. So I'm also going to bake underneath my contour line just to really emphasize that. And again, with that James Charles palette, we are going to take that nude color, the beige color in the crease, as well as the tan color. Same two colors. We're going to bring this a little bit further over onto the outside corner. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that same tan color underneath my eyes just to even that out. So I am now going to take a brown retractable eyeliner pencil. This one's by CoverGirl. And I am just going to line my tight line, and then we're going to make a wing. I struggled with this a little bit. It'd be much easier if we had like a liquid brown. But I did like this because it is smudgeable, which we are going to smudge it out in a second. So now with my finger, I'm literally just tapping on the eyeliner that's on my lid. I'm not going to mess with the wing at all, but this just smokes it out and it looks really, really nice. And I'm also going to brush off of that excess powder that we were baking with and continue on with the look. So I'm just taking a deeper brown on the lower lash line. This way I'm kind of just connecting it to the wing, but also making sure to smoke it out so it's not just such a harsh line. So now I'm taking this light blue eyeliner by Marc Jacobs, and I'm just going to put this line on the very, very top of my already existing line and just follow it and taking it out a little bit further than the brown line ends. You can use any blue eyeliner pencil, and I'm also going to add it into the inner corner as well. But like I was saying, you can use any blue eyeliner pencil. Don't feel crazy like you have to like get this one. I am going over it with the blue sparkly shade in the James Charles palette, and this way it just kind of like makes it a little bit more vibrant and adds that sheen to it, which makes it look really pretty. Now I'm going to take a glitter eyeliner. This one's by Wet n Wild. It wasn't working that well, so I was also dipping it in with some NYX glitter. Whoa, that looks different. What happened? Let me tell you. My camera stopped recording, so what you missed was that I just continued that glitter on the crease line. That's basically what y'all missed. So now we're going to add a teal color. I'm just mixing a green and a blue from the James Charles palette because I didn't want to venture into my other eyeshadow palettes. So just mixing a teal on the lower lash line, making sure to smoke it out, and then adding a white eyeliner to the waterline. I'm just going to finish that off with some mascara. And again, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. You can use whichever one you like. I'm going to add some falsies. These are individual lashes. I just added about 2 individual lashes per eye just to kind of give it a more almond shape. So using the same bronzer as before, I'm just going to bronze my face up just a little bit and adding a little bit of blush, like the least bit, because I didn't want to have too crazy of a pink on my cheeks. I'm now going to add just a tiny bit of highlight just to add myself a little bit of sheen on my cheekbones and above my brow. And I'm going to add this super light lipstick that I got like from some Revlon Clarins makeup, and then the same Mariah Carey lip gloss. Again, any nude color will work. Again, just adding some more mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic, just so it won't get too clumpy on those fake lashes. So that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have a little bit of a description down below about Aquarius if you guys are interested to learn more. And make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Leave me a comment and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me.